This 20th question can be done in algebraic method or trigonometric method. Both have its own difficulty in different steps. Right now I'll do it with the trigonometric method. What I have here is square root of 1 minus square root x by 1 plus square root x. So we need to face 2 square root. We will get rid of this square root by substituting x as cos square theta. Why do I choose cos square theta? If you ask me, I will say 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is tan square theta by 2. Because 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancel, it will become tan square theta by 2. Then this I can get rid of this square root. Okay, if you do this substitution, what will be dx? Dx will be 2 cos theta, and cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So this can be further written as minus sin 2 theta d theta. Okay, let us do the substitution. So this will become integral root of 1 minus root of cos square theta. See, root of cos square theta will become cos theta by 1 plus root of cos square theta. That will become cos theta. And then this is minus sin 2 theta d theta. So let me keep that minus outside. This will become root of tan square theta. Tan square theta. Tan square theta by 2. So that will become tan theta by 2. Children, this is using the formula only. Either you can use this as 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancel, tan square theta by 2. Square and this square root cancel, so you get tan theta by 2. Then this is sin 2 theta d theta. Now what I do is, now look carefully, this I can write sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. I am going to get rid of this cos theta by 2 by writing sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. When I write like this, I cannot still cancel this. So what I do is, what I will be writing is, this sin theta can further be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, like a sin 2a formula. So this sin theta, I will write it as once again as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So we will write like this, sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 into cos theta. Once again, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. That sin theta I wrote like this, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now this cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cancel. And this sin theta by 2 and this sin theta by 2 will become sin square theta by 2. We have a 4 here, that I will take it outside. So minus 4 integral sin square theta by 2 into cos theta d theta. Now how to go about? This is cos theta and this is sin square theta by 2. Combining these two is difficult. So I will convert this as, by using the formula, this I can write 1 minus cos theta by 2 into cos theta d theta. Because 2 sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos 2a. So using that, this 1 by 2, so this will become 1. It is formula. You have to learn trigonometric formula. There is no option. If you know that only. Now I can cancel this and this. I get here 2. So I will get a minus 2 outside integral. 1 minus this I will multiply inside. This is like a binomial. You multiply, you will get a cos theta minus cos square theta d theta. Now what I do is minus 2 integral cos theta minus this I can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Now you multiply this 2 inside, minus integral 2 cos theta minus, why I multiply this 2 to get rid of this denominator 2, otherwise also okay, and opening the bracket you will get a minus 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So we reached in this position. Now I can integrate minus 2 cos theta integration is sin theta. Okay. Minus 1 integration will become theta. Minus cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2. So integration part is over. We have a minus here outside that you can keep inside, and comfortably you can write. Okay, now the integration work is over. Now the last part of this is converting theta back to x, because in the question we had x, I need to bring back to x form. To bring back to x form, I should know what is theta from here. You should know that cos square theta is x, means cos theta will be root of x. So theta will become cos inverse root x. So when I see cos inverse root x, I hope that everything is in cos. Then I can easily get rid of this trigonometric function, and it can be converted into algebraic function. So what we do is, we will, instead of that, or you can do, what you can do is, if it is difficult to change, you can either change this cos inverse root x into sin inverse. How is it that possible? I will show that. After that we will do replacement, because we have here both are sine. So what I do is, I will write it like this. This understanding we should have. You listen properly. Let me write this once again. Very carefully, please watch. We have here theta is equal to cos inverse root x. You draw a right triangle. The way to convert cos inverse into sin inverse, how to convert, that's what I am explaining. Cos inverse root x. Cos is, you know, in 10th standard you studied, it's adjacent by hypotenuse. So in the place, root x means you can write root x by 1. So root x represents adjacent side. Let me choose this angle. So this will be root x. Then what is this? One is hypotenuse, because what? Adjacent, if they choose this angle, this is the adjacent side. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Now what is this? This is the opposite side of this angle. This by Pythagoras theorem will be root of what? Hypotenuse square minus this. So 1 minus x. Hypotenuse square minus the other side square. Root x square is x. So we get it to this. Now from here, if you want what is sin inverse, I can write theta is also equal to sin inverse. In sin inverse means opposite side. So root of 1 minus x by 1, or simply it is sin inverse root of 1 minus. Now I will do replacement. So this will be minus 2 sin. Since it is sin, I will do this replacement of sin. So don't confuse with this. This is sin inverse root of 1 minus x. Okay, this replacement. Wherever I have cos, I will use that. Minus theta. Theta is what? Cos inverse root x. That is the simplest form than sin inverse. Minus sin 2 theta. Okay. Here again we have a problem. We have sin 2 theta. So I need to convert this into 2 sin theta cos theta. So this can be written as, we will write this sin 2 theta by 2 can be written as 2 sin theta. This can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. With that 2 and 2 cancel, we will have sin theta cos theta. That's all. Actually sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Then where is that 2? That 2 cancel with this 2. So you get it into this. Okay. Now this theta we need to convert. So what I should have done is, this theta will be replaced as this sin. I will write it as sin inverse root of 1 minus x, and cos will become cos inverse root x. Now beautifully it will get simplified. Now this will become minus of 2 sin inverse and sin. This will get, and you will have root of 1 minus x minus, this is nothing but cos inverse root x, minus this sin inverse. This, therefore this angle it will become 1 minus x, and this also cos inverse, it will become root x. If you look at some textbook, they will write, they multiply this inside. That is possible. If you want, you can write it as minus 2 root of 1 minus x minus cos inverse root x minus root of, if you want, you can root x, if you multiply, this will become x minus x square plus c. So you will be able to write it like that, plus c. Here some of you may find it difficult with this replacing theta back to x. How you should do is, please watch it properly using a right triangle using the idea of adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta, opposite by hypotenuse is sin theta. Using that idea you will be able to get the answer quickly. So we can use either for cos inverse root x, and sin inverse root of 1 minus x, both are same. For this particular question we reach the answer. Okay, thank you. It will take a little time to learn this in this format. If you want, we will do it in algebraic method also. I'll upload it. Okay, keep watching. Thank you.